G'day viewers, I've been very busy this last week. Been working most of this weekend too, so a bit of extra money in my bank account. Either way, it's, I was meant to charge this bloody batteries for this drill, and our bloody fuse blew. It's good, I think it's a 24 volt transformer, I think. Not 21.8, so it's probably at least 19 or 20 volts AC input. So we've got 1.4 amps, so I've got a pretty decent little power supply this. That fuse blew, so the batteries are totally shagged. Alright, I've also got this package for, this is Billy, LostTreasure.com.au, the walkie-talkie you sent me. I got this all nice and cleaned. I cleaned it, polished it, and stuck a new set of batteries in it. The first set you put in was 4, so that made 6 volts, but it needs another 4 to make 12, so it actually runs off 12 volts. So it's got a full set of batteries, so it should work straight out of the box as soon as you receive it. So hopefully this week coming, if I knock off early, I'll get a chance, I'll get it posted to you ASAP, Billy. So let's chuck this, get this power supply to see how much revolt this fan out of the way first. Bloody cords hanging out anyway. How I had a chance to clean this caravan up. Been very busy. Alright, let's set this up. Power's on. AC volts. And I've got to set it to AC, don't I? Must have some coating on the wires. I'm not getting any connection there. 19.8 volts AC in that transformer. So yep, alright, that's what the DC side is. Obviously give you 21.8 volts like it says in the label. So there, and where the fuse is. Power goes in there to that capacitor, filters it and goes through there. Yeah, before that fuse. Yeah. We've got to change that fuse. I think we should get some result. But yeah, the batteries aren't worth I'll probably just keep just the cells. Hopefully another battery will pop up and just find a good size and repair other arcade batteries with this battery packs that these charged. This jaw's pretty much bloody had it. The batteries let it down. But I got a good decent 20 volt transformer there. Nice thick winding secondary too, so be a good high current transformer that. 105 degrees Celsius rated cap as well. Zunder, 1000 microfarad, 35 volt. Alright, let's try something. Hey viewers, it looks like AC goes in through here, then goes to the fuse and then the diodes. So it's not diodes then fuse, so the fuse is the first thing that comes before the diodes, which is why I wasn't getting any DC voltage. I might as well take that fuse out. Oh, what? Must be at least a 1 amp fuse in there. Take that fuse out and bypass it for now, and we'll see if the other batteries while I'm doing it. Cordless dual battery chargers are now all switch mode based, so there's not many of these old linear linear battery chargers around anymore. That'd be nice to have a 21.8 volt DC power supply. That's what I'll turn it into. So repair that fuse and just use the outputs of this, and I get a good power supply out of it. Okay, fuse is bypass, unloaded, 25.8 volts. Sweet, got a nice little power supply. Let's see if I can get some small 12 volt motors. See what happens. Viewers, have to do some modifications here, but I see how this thing works now. I'll short the output, battery's full. put a load in it. Yeah, the load doesn't work, the light just comes on. There you go, that's fixed this problem. Oh, let's crudely hook up the battery to it, see if that red light comes on, which indicates it's charging. Alright, we'll find light. This is a new battery it came with. One of the batteries on this drill, we never hardly used it. Maybe you can crudely hook this up. I'll set the tripod up here, see if I can do this. Alright, let's hook this thing up crudely. Sort of common, goes in the middle. Common there, positive there, get my negative lead. The wires aren't quite long enough. Yep, it's charging. Yep, the red light's on. Didn't even have to connect the negative one. Touch negative, and don't touch it, and it's on. Interesting how that works. Yeah, you're right, the battery's charging. This battery's okay. Yeah, that's cold. Nothing's shorting out. There you are. Still works, this battery. Okay, let's see how much charge in this battery. 19.32 volts. Okay, that worked. Battery's still half okay. Alright viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.